Side chick issues. Welcome to Faith in Real Estate. My name is Wanda Rochelle, and I'm a licensed realtor and probate specialist serving Georgia, Florida, and Alabama. Today, we're talking about side chick issues. A side chick, or sometimes called a mistress, is a woman that is in a relationship with a man who is married. Today, we're talking about what that looks like if the man passes away. Let's get right into it. The first thing I want to discuss is how will you find out that he actually passed away? Maybe you saw a post on social media, or maybe the two of you have mutual friends, or maybe you have contact with someone in his family. I'm assuming you won't know because you may have been reaching out to him via phone and he's not responding. The next thing to consider is whether or not you will attend the funeral. Will you sit in the back? Will you walk up and view the body? Will you hang around and greet people? That's something to think about. You are in a relationship with this person, and it's going to be a grieving process for you too. Do you have children by him? If so, I assume you definitely want your children to go to their father's funeral. Now here's where I feel some kind of way. Because let's say the two of you have a 16-year-old son and you go to the funeral. What do you say to your son? Because maybe your son didn't know his dad was married. How will the son feel when his name is not listed on the obituary as one of the children? Oh, I know I'm talking good because this is real life issues. It happens every day. Okay, maybe the wife knew about the son. She was gracious enough to put the son's name in the obituary. Now check this out. You now have people at the funeral that knew Joe, let's call him Joe, for years, and they're reading the obituary and they're saying to themselves, I didn't know Joe had 2 kids. I thought he only had 1. Not that we care what they think, but hey, I'm just painting a picture here. Woo-wee, this video is good. Please make sure you click like and subscribe and share it. Now, the purpose of this video is not to judge anyone. I work with people who hire me to sell their homes after their loved one has passed away, and I've seen where the wife can't sell the home because there was no will, and all of a sudden she finds out her husband had children that she didn't know about. So once again, these are real life issues. Also, you may not be the only side chick. This situation only gets worse when more women and children are in the picture. My heart especially goes out to the children. Regardless of how you ended up in the situation, always do what's best for your children. That may mean being the mature person. It may mean holding your tongue or going the extra mile just to maintain peace. Let's talk about the assets. If you're involved with a married person, you're putting yourself in a vulnerable position if that person dies. If the deceased was legally married, then in most cases, the people entitled to the estate are the spouse and the children. The side chick has very few rights and will have to prove dependency if there are any assets. And being separated from their spouse for however long a period of time does not equate to a legal divorce. Okay, let's say he purchased a home in his name only and you live in it. If he passes away, that house can be taken away from you. And do you know you would be required to leave? This is part 1 to this series regarding side chick issues as it relates to probate. I encourage you to stay tuned and check out the next video, which will be released soon. Finally, I want to add, this can apply to a man who is in a relationship with a married woman too. Regardless of the situation, this video was created to help you see what you're dealing with. I personally believe you deserve better than that. Why be a side chick when you can wait on God to bless you with the man or woman that God has ordained for you? Here's another thing. If you're not able to see that as an option, I pray God changes your heart and gives you the courage and strength to leave that situation. My name is Wanda Rochelle. This is Faith in Real Estate. I'm a licensed realtor and probate specialist serving Georgia, Florida, and Alabama. My team and I are able to assist those who are looking to buy, sell, or invest. I encourage you to like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Also, check out my private Facebook group. The link is in the description area, and I'll see you on the next video.